Hey guys, if you find value or you found this video entertaining, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And today we have this 2018 Ford F150. Customer bought the vehicle at about 30,000 miles. It's a 2018. There's now about 35,000 miles on the car. And he called me out today because, hey, my wheel fell down. I'll pause and show a picture. So that is what happened. I put it back together now. It's very interesting because it's such a new car. I asked him, I was like, well man, did you just get your ball joints replaced or something? He's like, nah, I bought it about 5,000 miles ago. It's got 35,000 miles on it from the Ford dealership. And so I just thought it was really interesting. I'll show what happened and what I did. Basically, the nut had come off here and it's right there. And when that happened and he was trying to back out, of course the upper ball joint popped out, and then as you can see the wheel just kind of flipped out, and the brake line and the ABS sensor line was like the only things like holding the wheel from falling into the ground. Now, not saying that this was directly from Ford. It does seem that way. Perhaps the person who put 30,000 miles on it tried to put an upper ball joint on it and didn't tighten it up, but that is just very interesting. I thought it was noteworthy. It's 2018 Ford nut fell off. So that's pretty much it. I just thought I'd share it with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.